Hello viewers, Instagram story not showing problem. In this tutorial I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all, find settings, go to settings, scroll down, find apps or apps management. Now go to apps or apps management, search Instagram, click on Instagram, scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps if available any update version. Now open Instagram. Now see problem solved successfully. If still problem not resolved, then uninstall Instagram apps and install again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.